Sheikh, my question is related to one hadith where it say people will see on day of judgment, people will see Allah. Allah will come to them in form different from what they first saw. So does this mean people will see Allah two times in different forms? So which one is real, or Allah have two real forms?
This is way above your pay grade as a Muslim or even as a human being. You cannot encompass or understand how this universe is made. Yet you want to understand Allah's form? And this is not something that you ask about. The hadith is clear. The people would come on the day of judgment, Muslims and the hypocrites. The disbelievers, all those who used to worship other than Allah, would be taken to hellfire. And they would not even pass the straight path, or sirat. And then Allah Azza wa Jal would come to them, not in His actual form, but He will come to them in a different form. How? This is something we don't have any knowledge of. And Allah Azza wa Jal would ask them, what are you waiting for? And they say, we are waiting for our Lord. And Allah would say, do you know your Lord? Can you describe Him? Have you seen Him before? They said, no. But He will identify Himself to us. Then Allah Azza wa Jal shows His shin. And every mu'min and mu'mina, every male and female believer would fall in prostration. The hypocrites will try to prostrate, but they won't be enabled to do so, and their back would turn into straight log or something like that. They won't be able to bend it, and they will be taken to hellfire. So this is what we know of the hadith. The actual way or time where people would see Allah Azza wa Jal truly is when they're admitted to Jannah. There, no one can see Allah Azza wa Jal other than the believers. And Allah would unveil His beautiful face to them. And this is the extra which Allah has promised, لِلَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا الْحُسْنَى وَزِيَادَةً. This is the extra. To those who had done well, they will get well, or get something that is good and extra. This is the extra which they will enjoy watching and looking at Allah's beautiful face. And there is no heavenly reward more beautiful than this. This is the time of slaughtering, and this is the age of the sacrifice. What to do with the meat? The companions of the Prophet ﷺ told us that the best thing to do is to divide it into three parts. One part is to be given to the poor and needy as a sadaqah, charity. The second part is to be given to relatives and neighbors as a gift. And the third part is to be consumed by you and your family. So this is the recommendation of the companions of the Prophet ﷺ. If you give a little bit more here and a little bit less here, this is no problem.